guys, welcome to today's video. So for today's video, I'm actually kind of really excited because this is a makeup look that I love summer makeup looks, and I really wanted to share not the one that I do every time in the summer, but one that's minimal products. And I'm gonna first start with my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I'm going to use my old-fashioned paddle brush to apply it. I'm going to put it like that much on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to start applying. Okay, since we are doing a summer look, I'm going to go straight to the face. I'm not going to go in right into the brows, so I'm going to use a powder foundation for my foundation today. And we're going to use the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation, and this is in Classic Ivory. I don't really know if I should use the puff that it comes with or a brush. I don't know. We can test to see which one. You know what? I'm going to use a brush. So I'm going to use the Morphe powder brush. You know what? I like to use the puff. I think the puff works a lot better. Yeah. Okay, now that is applied, I'm going to go in with my concealer. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I'm going to apply some of it on this mixing palette here. I forget which one this is. I think it's... oh, Fair Warm. I'm going to use the Bdellium fiber brush, and we're just going to apply concealer under the eye and any blemishes that pop through. I'm going to take my beauty blender just to blend everything. I'm going to use the NYX HD finishing powder in Banana. Favorite blush for the summer. This is the Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush in Pinch Me Pink. I absolutely love it. So I'm going to take my Shiny brush number 29. This is the 32 brush set, or from the 32 brush set. I'm just going to apply this to the apple of the cheek. And that's all we're going to do for the cheekbones and the cheeks, just because I want this look to be very minimal makeup. Okay, next I'm going to apply the blush a little bit on the nose. I just like that look a lot, so I'm just going to apply it there. Eyes, especially for the summer, for the brows actually, I'm going to use the Brow Amazing Duo from Jcat. This is the, let's see, I think this was the medium one. Okay, we're going to take... we're going to take my Morphe M158 brush to apply the brow powder. I'm first going to use the darkest shade. Actually, let's start... yeah, let's use the darkest shade first. We're going to use the darkest shade and then move into the light, or maybe reverse, actually. Okay. So I'm first going to brush up the brows. Start applying the brow powder in this part of the brow. And then towards the back, we will leave that. Stop maybe about there. Okay, then I like to brush through the brows one more time, and then into priming the eyes. Now I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter Face Primer. This is like, I don't know why I got the smaller version of this, but I use this on my eyes. We're going to take the Shani 32 brush set. This is number 8. This all the time, even if it's a no makeup look or a dramatic makeup look. I like to, on top of the eye primer, I like to apply a concealer. So I'm going to take the concealer that we used to conceal the under eyes and the same brush that we used, and I'm just going to apply this right on the lids. But I don't like to use too much. I mean, that was a little bit too much that I used. That's okay. And then I'm going to take this fluffy brush from, I think, QC Makeup Academy, and I'm just going to buff this in. Okay, if I'm traveling during the summer, this will be it, pretty much, for a makeup look. For an eye look, actually, if I'm running late. But when I'm not, I'll show you what I do. So I'm not going to set the eyes yet. I'm going to go directly into powders because I feel like with the concealer it sticks better. So I'm going to use the Flower Beauty Petal Play Eyeshadow Quad. And we're going to take the color Fawn, which is this one. Let me see if I can find a clean brush. There we go. I'm going to apply this to the crease. Same thing on the other eye. Color Daybreak, which is this one here. And we're going to apply this to the lid. So in the summer, I don't normally wear lashes just because I feel I don't like, if I get really sweaty, I don't want to wear lashes, I guess. I don't know, if I'm like going swimming or at the beach. So I'm just going to curl my lashes. For mascara today, we're going to use the Huda Beauty Legit Lash Mascara. We're going to start with the volume side. Let that dry for about maybe a minute, maybe a minute and a half. And then we're going to go into the curling and lengthening side. I like to take my mascara brush and just run this through the lashes to like get rid of any clumps or to separate the lashes. Okay. For lips, especially for the summer and pretty much every day actually, I want to choose a color that kind of really matches my natural lips. So I'm going to take the Lorac Alter Ego lip gloss in the color actually let's use, so there I have two of them. This one might be a little bit too peachy, but this one is actually perfect for my natural lip color, so I'm going to use this one. This one is from the same brand, but this one is called Beach Babe. I'm just going to apply this to the lips. And then last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray my NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. Okay, so now we're going to go into the Bible verse of the day. So this one comes from Romans 10:17. So faith comes from hearing, and hearing through the word of Christ. And again, that was Romans 10:17. The Bible verse will be in the description for you to read it and yourself, and then also in the comment section so you can read it there as well. Enjoyed today's video, and see you guys in the next video. Bye!